My name's William Jones and I'm the Technical Sales Director at Cataclean Global Limited, and I'm here today to talk to you about Cataclean in the workshop. Cataclean is now available for professional automotive technicians in 5-litre containers. Cataclean Workshop also comes with a free measuring jug. Cataclean is the entire fuel and exhaust system cleaner for all petrol, diesel, hybrid, passenger and commercial vehicles. Cataclean 5-litre Workshop will treat up to 10 passenger vehicles and is ideal to use before an MOT, as part of a service, or when you're changing any fuel or exhaust system part. For example, when a turbo fails, the new part is obviously clean, but the rest of the system is absolutely filthy. A Cataclean treatment will clean that system and actually prevent the new part from failing. So Cataclean will reduce the vehicle's emissions, so again ideal before an MOT. Cataclean will also restore performance, improve MPG, and help to look after some very expensive fuel and exhaust system parts. For sustained results, use Cataclean 3 to 4 times a year. Cataclean 5-litre Workshop, now available at all good motor factors. Cataclean, the only fuel additive you need in the workshop.